Got one. What's good, YouTube? Thank y'all for tuning in today. About to get on this early morning bite. About to go meet up with Chad and Troy. I'm gassing up old Pearl. About to get her right and drive out to the country and try to get on some fish. Keep y'all tuned. Well, finally made it to the spot. I bought out a spread today. Got an arsenal to throw at them. I'm not tying knots. I'm switching rods. I'm doing like the pros do. So I brought out some different rods. Some of them y'all have never seen. So, hey, we're gonna get it in. We're gonna see how this gonna go. The guys are already at it. I'm usually the last one to get here because I don't like waking up too early. But we see how this play out, and I'll keep y'all posted. Chad's on one. Nice fish. Look, guy. I'm fishing this Yamamoto paddle tail on this trout eye. About to see what we gonna get. This is my second cast. Well, I'm gonna walk down here. Haven't gotten any action, seeing fish blowing up. So I'm gonna be that guy. Seeing where people are catching fish, I'm going down there. I'm about to stand about right here and see what I can get. Troy got one. Let's go. Nice fish. Awesome, awesome. I'm up next. Haven't hooked into anything yet. It is a beautiful morning. The water is glass. It's like 69 degrees out here. I'm just trying to hook into my first one. Once I break the ice, it's game on after that. I've been fishing this Ned rig, trying to get something to pick it up. But not been successful yet. So I'm gonna keep on keeping on. Let's go. Nice fish. Nice one. That's a nice fish. Troy hooked up. I'm still trying to find what they want that I have. Chad got a nice one.
Check him out.
Check him out.
Nah, that's all right.
That's a nice fish. Yeah, like 2.5. Let's go. Let's go. Finally got one. Hit one on the Texas rig. Let's go. Nice fish. Gotta get my de-hooker. I can't get my hand down in there. Finally got one. Jeez, it's been a grind. Oh man, it's been a grind. I gotta get the de-hooker to get it out of him. Nice little fish. He'll make it. I felt him slap that worm. I was doing what you said, dragging it along the bottom. Yeah. Let me use your de-hooker. Appreciate it. Let's go. I was determined.
It was, before I sat here and had to redo the worm because it got all torn up.
Uh-huh.
I kept getting hit by something right here in the middle.
Mm.
One of the casts had hit 2-3 times.
Gee.
Commit to it.
One commit. Dang.
I think Chad was right there. And bluegill just messing with it.
Probably. Oh, he bleeding. I'm gonna get him up.
Josh said I finally caught one and no one else is gonna get it.
Yeah, that's in his. He swallowed that hook. Good grief. That hook is down in him. There we go. He got a little blood on him, but he'll make it. Yeah, he'll make it. Ain't worried. And he gone. Yes, sir. He out of here. That fish took off. All right. Texas rig seems to be producing. We're going to keep running it. Appreciate the D-hooker. Yep. Let me go grab mine, put it in my back pocket. Got one. Ski him on in. Let's go. Nice fish. Yes, sir. Get all this crap off of him. Ugh. He hit on that Texas rig. I lost my worm that time. Where's that hook? Dang. That hook is in. Woo! I don't want him to hook me. Let me grab this hook. You better stay still, buddy. There we go. Got one. Nice fish. Let him go and let him grow. And he out of here. Let's go get another worm. Do it again. The boys down there slaying them. I done pulled 2 out of the other end. I think Chad got like 3 or 4. I think Troy got at least 3. So I'm 2 down behind the boys. Gotta make it up. So what's up, Elam? Talk to the people. Tell the people. This is your time to shine.
What do you got to say?
What you got to say? You'll watch this later on today.
I think I gotta say that I like fishing.
Hey, let's go.
It's the best sport ever.
That's what I like. That's what I like.
So you're gonna slay some slabs.
You gonna slay some slabs?
Hell yeah.
Well, I'm trying to fish and I just got here.
Okay, yeah.
I'm pretty excited to fish.
Yeah, we're gonna get you squared away. We're gonna get you on the lake. Get you on a slab. Well, people, I'm about to throw over here. I just heard a fish clap on the top water, and I don't know where they were feeding. I've been fishing this Texas rig. Haven't caught much, but we still at it. Chad been out here slaying them. He the only one out here slaying them. This is pond, so he know where they're at. He knows how to fish them. Me and Troy are his guests. Go, got one. He a nice one too. Gotta keep him on. But yes, sir. Hit on the Texas rig. Oh, done dropped my rod. Yes, sir. This is a nice one. Woo. Yes, sir. I would definitely get it on YouTube. If I could grab him. There we go. That's a nice fish. Caught him on the Texas rig. There we go. Let him go and let him grow. I heard him bust on some bait fish over there, so I was like, let me see if I could catch him. Sure enough, he saw this worm and smoked it. Oh, got another one. Well, he felt decent too. Let's go. Caught him on a Texas rig. Boy, the Texas rig has been producing today. Yes, sir. He a nice fish. Show him to the camera. Woo! Let's go. Let him go, let him grow. Oh, let me get this thumbnail. Let me get this thumbnail. Boom. Thumbnail. Yeah, boy. Beautiful day at the lake. Catching beautiful fish. I can't complain, man. It's been a great day so far. It was tough a few hours ago, but now it's turning into a good day. Let's let him go. And he gone, swam off.
Hello everybody on the video. And I just gotta say, and I like that I'm on this video the first time ever. And I think I'm about to catch some fish if Dad will just let me.
Hey!
Here you go. Here.
Get him right. All right. Get back to it. Got one. Ooh, nice bluegill. Let's go. That's a pretty fish. We're gonna let him go. Got one. Another little bluegill. They getting smoked. Let me turn them around. There we go. Little guy. Dang, hooked him in the gill. He might not make it. Well, people, it's been a fun day fishing. We about to call it. Appreciate y'all tuning in. See you in the next one. Fisherman Josh out.